Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make hoodies using vinyl, and I'm going to design it and show it to you what temperature I use, what vinyl I use, and you could use this idea to do it on your own. So let's head on the computer and show you how I print it.
So I like to keep the width around somewhere around 9 or 10. So since this is a 3-letter word, I'll probably keep it around 10. So to flip it, what you'll have to do is the go to the panel window and then use trace, and then select tracing area and then drag it. So when you drag it, you'll see that you have yellow. So this means Cameo is reading this part, right? And when you here, you'll see the threshold bar. You can increase the threshold bar, so this way the yellow part of this is more visible and you can have a good, nice cutting. But I don't overdo it so that it takes time. So I'll keep it somewhere around 90. I'll make sure you flip the design. I'll go to the settings. I'll have the blade 3, force around 17, and speed around 4. So it really depends on which vinyl you're using. I didn't know my settings, so what I did was I kept changing the levels. So you can do some test prints as well. So I'll ideally keep a blade of 3, 4. Don't go over that. Try 2, 3 different forces. Start with 10, then go for 12, 13, 14, and then you'll figure it out.
So I'm going to use this vinyl. I got this from China and I have the 12-inch Cameo 4, as you can see. And I'm going to insert it. So I make sure the line is aligned with this. And then I just... Now it's ready for printing, and I'm going to head over to my Cameo. So a sign of a good cutting is when you peel up the vinyl, it should easily help you to peel up without the letters. You can see how smooth this is, right? All the hoodies that I have. Got it. I keep the dusting outside. So depending on the size of the design, I go for 4 fingers or 5 fingers. This is an S size hoodie, so I'll probably go for 4 or 5. I think 5 looks fine. So 5 fingers. These lockers, I don't use a gun because it's time consuming. Then